Here's how to change your phone number on TurboTax. So you're going to want to do this on your Intuit account. You can scroll down on the main dashboard and you should see My Account right here, and you can change user ID, password, phone number is one of those. Or on the left-hand side here, you may have to drop some things down, but you should find Intuit Account down here as well. Either one of those will take you to the same place where you can go and basically manage your account. So we'll see sign in and security right here. You also have a little tab up here, sign in and security. When we click on that, we're going to see all of our info like our email, phone number, password, everything like that. So we have phone number down here and we can click there. And then inside of here, we're going to basically send a text message, voice message, or both to verify the new phone number. So you can click change next to the current one. And then on the next screen, you're going to be able to basically type in whatever phone number you want. In this case, I'll do a lot of fives. And you'll save that and it will verify that phone number. So it's going to send you a text message or that voice call and essentially verify, and then it will change that phone number for you. And if you're just now filing or thinking about it, you can actually save 20% on your TurboTax federal products with the affiliate link in the description down below. It's also in the pinned comment down there. I do earn a commission from that as an affiliate, and it helps support this channel. Hopefully I helped you guys today. That's how you can change your phone number on TurboTax.